This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so we will be starting our next topic, that is bill of material. Okay, so the topics that we are going to cover, they are, we will see what is bill of material. Okay, we will see what is bill of material. Bill of material. What are the BOM categories? We will understand what is BOM status and BOM usage. Okay, we will explain these things. Then we will, in the system, we will create bill of material. Then we will understand BOM header data and BOM item data. Okay, then item category. What is item category and what is its importance? Then we will see single level BOM, multi-level BOM. Okay, what is single level BOM and what is multi-level BOM? Then we will understand what is alternate BOM or multiple BOM. Why we need to create alternate BOMs or multiple BOM. We will see. Then we will understand recursive BOM. What is recursive BOM and why it is used? Then low level code. What is low level code and why it is used? And BOM reporting. Some of the important reports in the bill of material. Okay. So first we'll start with the overview of bill of material. Okay. So what is bill of material? A bill of material is a comprehensive, formally structured list of the components that make up an object. The list contains a description and object number for each object together with the quantity and unit of measure. So bill of materials means it will give you the components required along with their quantities to manufacture a product. Suppose let's say I want to manufacture a product A. Okay, so to manufacture this product A, I need three materials, three components, items, 1, 2, 3, and these are the quantities. Okay, so this information is stored in the bill of material. The bill of material will give you the raw materials or input materials required and along with their quantities to manufacture the product, that particular product. That information comes in the BOM, bill of material. Okay, so this is the one. Suppose let's say you want to manufacture a pump. Okay, to manufacture a pump, you need these materials: spiral casing, flywheel, shaft, support, pressure lid. Okay, and these are their quantities. These are their quantities, how much quantity required. And this is the material number, material code. Okay, these are the material codes. And this is the unit of measure. So this information is maintained in the bill of material. Okay. Okay. So before going and creating the bill of materials in the system, we need to understand some terminology. So normally the header material, the product which you are going to manufacture, the header material, in sometimes they call it as assembly also. Okay, in some industries they call it as a header. Okay, in some industries they call it as an assembly, both same. Okay, that is the product you're trying to manufacture. Now, the input materials in some industries they call it as components, in some industries they call it as items, in some industries they call it as parts. So all remains. Terminology differs from industry to industry, but ultimately they are the input materials to manufacture the product. Okay, so that is the terminology. So let's move on. Now we will understand BOM categories. Okay, the BOM category means BOM categories define the connection to an object. Okay, material BOMs are used in SCM to represent the structure of the products that are manufactured. So in our PP, we will be creating the material BOMs. Means we are going to create the BOM for a material. Okay, if you see here, we have a material product, finished product or semi-finished product. For that material, we will be creating the BOM. So it is called material BOM. So we are creating BOM for a material, that is called material BOM. Whereas in other modules like in SD, they create BOM for a sales order. This is called sales order BOM. And in other modules like PM, they create BOM for equipment. they create a BOM for a functional location. Equipment BOM means machine BOM. So in some other areas, they create BOM for various objects. Okay, so these are called BOM categories, but in PP, we will be using the material BOMs. That means we are going to create BOM for a material product. Okay, so basically in the PP, we will be creating the material BOM. Material BOM. Okay. So this is what we discussed. Okay, other than material BOMs, we have order BOMs, document BOMs, equipment BOMs, functional location BOMs, which are used in other modules, other areas. Okay. Now we will talk about BOM usage. Now we are going to use material BOMs. We are going to create a BOM for a material, but this BOM, this material BOM, where it is used? Okay, in which area of the company it is used? Whether in the production, whether in the costing to calculate the production cost, or in the SD area, or in the plant maintenance, or in the engineering department, where it is used. That is the usage, BOM usage. So in our PP, we will be using the material BOMs with usage production. Okay, so that's what you need to understand. The bill of material usage allows you to create separate BOMs for the various areas within the company, for example, engineering or production. That means same material BOM you can create for different purposes. That is the usage. But in our PP, we will be using material BOM with usage production. Just to keep it simple. Okay, so here it is. Material BOM and our usage will be production. I will show you this in the system. All these things. Production. Okay, so that is the usage. BOM usage. Okay, so now we will see the BOM structure. Okay, so BOM normally will have header data. A BOM will have header data and item data. Item data means component data. Okay, so now we will see this in the system. So let's create the bill of materials in the system. So to create the bill of materials, the T codes are, as I explained previously, create, it is CS01. Okay, change, it is CS03. Sorry, CS02, change, and display, it is CS03. Okay, as we discussed this in normally in SAP, any particular master data to create, the T code will be in this format: XX01, change XX02, display XX03. Normally this is how the T codes are named basically. Okay, so first we'll go and create the bill of material. Okay, so let me go to the system now. Okay, I logged onto the system. So now let's go to the BOM. So I'll just show you the navigation path for some time. Go to logistics, go to production. Okay, open this folder. Go to master data, open this folder. Here you see there is a folder, bill of material. Open this folder. Okay, here you have bill of material. Open this folder, material BOM. This is what we discussed. BOM categories. You see, these are the BOM categories we talked about. If you see here, these are the ones: material BOM, sales order BOM, standard BOM, document BOM, equipment BOM, functional location BOM. You see, all are available here. Don't worry about all these things. In our PP, we will be using just material BOMs. BOM created for a material. So open this. The T code is this one, CS01. Double click. You will be getting this screen. Create material BOM. Okay. So in our previous class, we created some finished products, right? So we will create a BOM for a finished product. Okay. So let me go back once. In this, I'll do one thing. In this system, this T code, let me open the for materials. This is the one we created, Coke bottle 1 liter. Correct? In the previous class, we created these 3 finished products. Coke bottle 1 liter, Coke bottle 1.5 liter, Coke bottle 2 liter. I will create BOM for this Coke bottle 1 liter. Okay. So let me open one more session. I will go through the menu path, logistics, production, master data, bill of material, material BOM, CS01. Okay. So here you need to enter the product you are going to manufacture. Okay. So what is the product we are going to manufacture? This one. Okay, just give me one. Okay. So enter the product. What is the product? This is the one. Okay. Copy the product. Copy the product. Okay. Enter the material here. This is the product we are going to manufacture. Header material. It is also called as header material. In this plant, this is our plant. Okay. Now usage. BOM usage. Just now we discussed what is BOM usage. Correct? We discussed this one, BOM usage. Just by default in our PP, we will be using the production. Okay, so select from the list. Here you see there is a list button. Click on that. It is 1, production. By default in PP, the BOM usage will be 1. That is production. Select 1. Okay. We will discuss about alternate BOM in a minute. Okay. Now just click on the button continue. Okay. Now once you click on continue, you will be getting this screen. Here you need to enter the components with their quantities. Okay. So to just give okay, sorry. So now to make a Pepsi 1 liter bottle, what do you need? Sorry, Coke, right? Coke 1 liter bottle. What do you need?
Yeah, 10, sir.
What do you need? You need a empty bottle, right? Correct? You need a empty bottle and you need some solution inside it and you need a lid. Correct? Is that correct?
Yes.
So you need these 3. You need these 3. Okay. So first we need the solution inside it. Correct? So now here you need to enter that solution component code. Okay. I already created that materials. Okay. I'll show you that. It's a semi-finished product. I already created it. Okay. Now let's go for all the materials. So here you see I already created Coke bulk solution. This solution I'm talking about. Solution inside the bottle. That one I'm talking about. Okay. So enter its material code. So the prerequisite is they have to be created as materials already in the system. So 6960 is a material code. So enter that material code here. 6960 and quantity 1. I will tell you why I am entering quantity 1 now. I'll tell you in a minute. Now observe carefully. I entered just material code and I entered the quantity. The moment I enter, what do you observe? System is bringing its description from the metal master and the unit of measure. Unit of measure, what is the unit of measure? Liters. So from where this information is coming? It is coming from the material master. In the metal master, this is a description and this is a unit of measure. If you want, I can show you. Let me open one more session. That is the importance of the master data. If you go to MM03, 6960 is the material code. If you go to the metal master, go to any view. This is a description, Coke bulk solution. This is a description, Coke bulk solution, and its unit of measure is liters. So here in the basic data one, the base unit of measure is liter. Automatically system is proposing. This is UA. This is UA. Okay. Now what else do you need? You need an empty bottle, right? Correct. You need an empty bottle, right? Is that correct? So let us enter the empty bottle. So I already created empty bottle. I already created a empty bottle as a material. Let me show you. Here you see there is a empty glass bottle size 1 liter. It is created. Material code 561. Okay. So now let me enter it here. What is the material code? 561. 561. Enter 1. Enter 1. And enter. See again, the description has come and its unit of measure. And what else do you need? You need a lid. Correct? You need a lid. Okay. So now lid also I created already. Glass bottle lid 1 liter. Material code is 683. 683. Enter the material code 683 and quantity 1. Enter. Enter. Okay. Done. Done. Now, once all the materials and their quantities are entered, you have to save it. I will explain you why I am entering all one now. I'll explain you in a minute why I am entering all one. Okay. Done. Now save it. On the top there is a button save. Just click on the button save. So now your BOM is created. Okay. So now I'll come to the structure in a minute. Let us discuss about the structure in a minute. In the meantime, I will explain the structure. Okay. So the BOM is created. Now to see this BOM, I will go to change mode. Go to change mode. Change material BOM. Enter the material plant usage 1. Enter. So now we created already the BOM. So now the structure, the BOM will contain header data, which is applicable for the entire BOM. So I will show you. To go to header, you see here there is a button, header button. Click on that button. It will take you to the header data. Here you see change material BOM header overview. So we are in the header. So try to understand the concepts. This one is a product we are going to manufacture in this plant. And when you create the BOM, system automatically assigns a BOM number to it. Automatically system only will assign. Okay. And alternate BOM 1, we will discuss about alternate BOMs in a minute. Okay. And BOM usage 1. This we selected during our creation. On the initial screen, we selected this BOM usage 1. Okay. Now here, the most important thing is base quantity. Here you see, this is very important. Otherwise, everything goes for a toss. Defining the base quantity is very important. Properly, this will be used in MRP planning. If you define this wrongly, then everything goes for a toss. Base quantity. So the meaning here is to produce one Pepsi bottle 1 liter, Coke bottle 1 liter. To produce one Coke bottle 1 liter, you need these components: 1 liter, 1 empty bottle, 1 glass bottle, 1 liter. So for one, all these require 1, 1, 1. This is 1 liter, solution 1. See, 1 liter, right? We are trying to produce 1 liter bottle. So inside solution, 1 liter is required. You need a empty bottle 1 and 1 liter. That's how it is defined. It is defined. So this base quantity is very important. Okay. So now I'll save this. I'll show you. So now for one bottle, you require all these 3 1 1 1. For 1000 bottles, how many do you require? Suppose let's say I want to produce 1000 Coke bottles. Coke bottle with 1 liter this thing. How many you require for 1000? All 1000, right? Correct?
1000.
All 1000. You need 1000 empty bottles. You need 1000 lids, and you need 1000 liters of solution. All you need 1000. Now system will calculate. See how system will calculate. I will show you. Suppose go to display. Okay, here in the display, enter the product, enter the plant, enter the usage. Here you see at the bottom there is a subscreen, additional data, required quantity. Let's say I want to produce 1000 bottles. Okay, now the moment I enter, it will calculate accordingly, and then it will display the component quantities required. See, the moment I enter, what do you observe? All require 1000. The system automatically calculates. So that base quantity is very important. Defining the base quantity properly is very important. That is the importance of the base quantity. Okay. Now let's go again. Let me go to change mode again. Enter. So now let's go to header. So this is the base quantity. Now here one more thing called BOM status. See, there are three things here. One is BOM category. This terminology is sometimes confusing, but don't worry. BOM category, BOM category, that is material BOM. Then BOM usage, that is we are going to use these material BOMs in production. Okay, next one is BOM status. BOM status. So now that's okay. That's okay. So now BOM category is material BOM. We are using material BOMs. We are creating BOMs for a material. We are going to use this in production. Now the BOM status, what it does is, here you see there is a one BOM status. If you go to this list, you have some applications here. So within production, we have different applications like MRP, production execution, production costing. So these things. So in which area you are going to use this BOM? That is BOM status. Okay, here. BOM status. BOM status controls BOM processing in different application areas. So within the production, there are some different application areas are there. So like MRP, planned order, production execution, production costing. So those things. So where you are going to use it or not. If you see the first one, 01, it is used in all the areas. You see, all are ticked. So that status is assigned. That status is assigned. BOM status. That is a BOM status. Okay. So now let's go to the header again. So this is a header data. This is a header data. As I explained, this base quantity is very important. Okay. So this is a header data. Now let's go to item. Okay. So now we have items. For each item, item means component. So for each component, there will be an item data. So header data, item data. You have three. Okay, let me put it here. You have header data, and you have item data. Item data refers to that particular item. Okay, so to see the item data, select the particular item, component. Here you see there is a button. Item. There is a button. Item. Click on it. It will take you to the item data. Now we are in the item data. Here you have 4 tabs: basic data, status long text, administration, and document assignment. This is item data. Okay, so in the item data, here this is item number, this is a component code, material code of the component. Okay, it's item category. We will discuss item category in a minute. Okay, its quantity, its unit of measure, and there are some other indicators. There are some other indicators which we will be discussing later point of time when we go to MRP. That time we will discuss all these indicators, scraps, this fixed quantity, all these things we will discuss when we go to that particular topic. Okay, so here the another one to be discussed here is item status. So there are 2 statuses. One is BOM header status, which I showed you just now. In which areas it is allowed, in which applications. There will be a BOM status, and there will be a status for each item. Okay, so there are 2 statuses: header status and item status. So here you see, to see the item status, you need to go here. You see, in the item, now we are in the item. Here you go, status long text tab. Go here. Now here you see, there is an item status section. So whether this item is relevant for costing or not, whether is item to be included in cost calculation or not, whether it is a production relevant or whether it is engineering relevant, all that is maintained here. Okay, suppose in some industries what they do is they say that in our production cost calculation we don't want to include this, even though it is consumed in production, we don't want to include this in cost calculation. Then what you have to do, select this, go to item, this you need to make it blank, costing relevancy. So that's why this is a item status. two statuses of BOM's header status and BOM item status. So these are all the components. This is called item data, item specific data. Okay, so these are our items. Again, we are back to item overview. Okay, so there are two things, header status and item status, in which application they are going to be used. Okay, now this is what we just discussed. Now we will talk about low level code. Okay, so what is low level code? Low level code, the low level code is the lowest explosion level on which a material occurs in all product structures. When you create a BOM, a low level code is automatically assigned to each material which is used in MRP and costing. Okay, so if you see here, if you see this screenshot, you will understand. Okay, so low level, suppose you have your top product, top material, finished product. For finished product, the low level code will be 000 by default, system will assign. Now the next level, level 1 materials, BOM, next level, all these level 1 metal, system will assign a low level code 00. Next level, you can have next level also. So here, system will assign for these materials low level code 002. System automatically will assign when you create the BOMs. So now I will show you where this can be, where you can see this. Okay, suppose if you go to, let me go to display mode now. This is our top material, right? Correct? Top finished product. So if you take this to see the low level code, go to material master, which we discussed. Go to MM03, display material, enter the material code, select any view, plant 1710. Here you see there is a button, I button, information on material. If you click on that button, you can see what is the low level code here. Low level code, what is the low level code? 000. You see here, 000. That means it is present at the top level, highest level. Okay, so now let us go to the next level. If you go to our BOM, let us go and display BOM. Now these are all level 1, right? Correct? 6960, 561, 683. These are all at level 1. Suppose if I take this 6960, okay, let's check its low level code. Enter, select any view, that's okay. Plant 1710. So we are in the metal master 6960. Click on I button. What is a low level code? What is a low level code? 001. That means this material is present in BOMs at level 1. First level. Automatically system will assign this low level code. Okay, and now the next one. Suppose if you observe carefully, for this code bulk solution also, I created a BOM already. Okay, I'll explain this in a minute. So if you see this 6960, I already created a BOM for this code bulk solution. Let me open one more session, CS03. Okay, enter the material, enter. See, I created BOM for this code bulk solution: sugar, caramel color, caffeine, carbonate water. Now if you take this sugar, now what is its level? Second level, correct? In the BOMs, it is present at now second level. First, this is our finished product. Level 00. Then this is level 1, coke bulk solution. Under inside it, you have some components. That means level 2. So now let's check its low level code 7144 sugar. Okay, I will open one more session. Go to its material master. Okay, enter the material code. Enter. So select any view. Plant 1710. This is a material. Go to click on I button. See what is a low level code? 002. That means it is present at second level. Level 2. So that's how system automatically assigns the low level codes. Okay. Now the question is why these low level codes are required. What is the real purpose of it? Okay. Low level codes are used in MRP, material requirement planning, to determine the sequence in which materials are planned, and by product costing to determine how the costs are rolled out. So that means when you run MRP, which we will discuss later point of time, when you run MRP, first system will plan all the materials with low level code 000. First it will do that. Then it will plan next all the metals with low level code 000. Once all these MRP of these metals is completed, system will move to materials of low level code 00. Like this, system will plan the materials in a sequence. So in which sequence materials has to be planned, that is decided by this low level code. Interview question: what is low level code? Why it is used? Okay, where you can see the low level code. So those kind of questions they will ask in the interviews. That is a low level code. Okay. Okay.